calling Acme Bank. This is Jessica. How can I help you today?
What the? There's a $479 pending transaction from a company called Global Tech Services on my account. I've never seen this. I don't know anything about this.
I understand your concern about this unexpected transaction. I can definitely look into this for you. To start, can you please confirm the last four digits of your account number?
1121.
Thank you. Please allow me a moment to access your account information. Okay, I see the pending transaction you're referring to from Global Tech Services for $479. Have you recently signed up for any new online services or subscriptions, or perhaps made any recent large purchases online? Sometimes the company name can be different from what you might expect.
No. I've not done any shopping online. I don't recognize this vendor, and this doesn't make sense. Am I being scammed?
I understand your concern. It's definitely possible that this could be an unauthorized charge. I can help you dispute this transaction and take steps to protect your account. Would you like me to begin the process of disputing the charge from Global Tech Services?
Go on.
Okay, I can definitely help you with that. To dispute the transaction, I'll need to gather some information from you. First, can you confirm that you have not authorized this transaction and do not recognize Global Tech Services?
I do not authorize this. I do not recognize this at all.
Okay, perfect. I'm flagging this transaction as unauthorized. I'm also going to go ahead and put a temporary block on your card to prevent any further unauthorized charges. We will also need to send you a new card with a new card number. Can you confirm the address that we have on file for you?
Yes, 123 Main Street.
Okay, perfect. I've confirmed your address. A new card will be sent to you within 7 to 10 business days. In the meantime, you can use your Acme Bank app to access a temporary digital card for online purchases and to tap and pay at stores. Would you like instructions on how to set that up?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Great. Is there anything else I can help you with today regarding this transaction or anything else?
No, I'm good.
I'm glad I could help with disputing the charge. Have a wonderful day.
All right, bye.